want to start taking the interior out because it buys me some time to decide what I'm gonna do with this junk. Yep, I knew it. Gross. I knew there was one. Hopefully only one. It's like a iPhone 1 charger, maybe an iPod. I need this. Look at that. There's been females in here. Oh yeah, you goddamn right there is. You SOB. Fun. That. Doing a little bit of labeling. Shipping up to Boston. That's just from sitting and me like farting around. Imagine if it was driving down the road. All right, got all the seats out. So got my borrowed Bissell. And let's see how these seats will come out. working for the weekend. Everybody's doing stupid stuff like me. Yeah, I'll take a medium ice, black, 2 sugars, please. Recycling is good. I'm Mike Rowe, and you're watching Dirty Jobs. I'm Mike Rowe. I'm Mike Rowe. Is that his name, Mike Rowe? I'm Mike Rowe. All right. Came out okay. I think the seats came out great. But I still want to do a full interior detail. I just did what I could with it in here. At least maybe it'll stop smelling. Not that it smelled bad, but it was like it just smelled like an old car. Like I'll be rolling by with the mower and be like, whoa. Oh boy. Just gonna put a little sandpaper. Clean up these. That ain't too perfect. Alright, so now what? I'm trying to end my video. Alright, so that's where I'm going to end this week's video. Just some cleaning and upkeep of this junk box. And also, I've decided I am going to pull the motor. And I didn't really describe it fully in the last video, but there's just too many things with this. The injectors, the headers are just literally like if they're all rusted. There's holes in the bottom. Like basically I'd have to get the motor out anyways to, I mean, maybe I could get the exhaust from up there. I don't know, but there's just so many things, and it's just a 600-pound 130 horsepower motor. I mean, still doing some research and deciding what I want to do. I think we're just, as of now, I'm leaning towards keeping the 700R4 transmission and doing the 5.3 if I can find one cheap. Everything's got to be cheap though. I'm not doing any built motor or nothing. Just want to do a basic 5.3 swap. As easy it can be. Just, you know, maybe get my feet wet.